Welcome to a family art workshop presented by WheatonArts. Today we are going to be creating paper bag stars. The required materials include paper lunch bags, either brown or various colors or patterns, hot glue or craft glue, a pencil, and a ruler for optional cutting guides, markers or other decorating supplies including crayons, pastels, colored pencils, watercolor, washi tape, stickers, metallic pens, etc., scissors, string, and a hole punch. Begin by stacking your bags all facing the same way with the flap facing down on the work surface. Six bags will give you a slimmer, snowflake-like star, and 8 bags will give you a fuller star. You can also decorate the front, back, and side panels of your bags before assembly. Now it's time to glue the bags together. Make a T-shape with your glue on bag 1 with one line of glue up the center from bottom to top and then more along the bottom. Then lay a bag flat front side up on top of it, making sure that the edges of the bags are aligned. Repeat the T-glue and stacking for the rest of your bags. Tap the stack on the table to align and make sure to not glue the side edges together or else the stars will not fan open. Then hold the stack firmly and use sharp scissors to cut a triangle, a V-notch, or a curved arch along the top of your bags. Tall triangles will give you sharp points, and small side notches will give you a snowflake-like look, just don't cut past the center line. When you're done cutting, apply the same T-shaped glue to the top bag. Carefully fan the stack open into a star and press the first and last bags together so that they meet and adhere. Hold it with your hands, clothespins, or binder clips until it's secure. Once your glue is dry, punch a hole in one tip of your star or snowflake, or you can also glue a loop of yarn to the back. Then thread a string or ribbon through the hole, tie a knot, and hang. Thank you for joining us, and please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.